All right, you probably heard the sleet maybe knocking on your car,
Yeah.
knocking on the window. That's what we're seeing in downtown Austin right now.
Sleet, there's still freezing rain and freezing drizzle mixed in, but Tommy, the sleet could actually be a good thing in a weird way.
Increase in sleet means, of course, that decrease of freeze and rain, which is going to be very beneficial with some of the higher amounts that we're forecasting for freezing rain.
Yeah, but sleet, still slippery, freezing rain, the most slippery. Let's show you what's happening outside right now. This is our Indeed weather camera at the Domain. I wanted to zoom in on the roads here because they've still got a little bit of a shine to them. And if you have plans to drive around this evening or get out of the house tomorrow morning, it's just going to be really tough for you to be able to tell whether a road is just wet or if it's icy, especially with temperatures well below freezing across the area. And of course, we've got the sleet mixing in as well. Vast majority of Texas now still dealing with this wintry weather. Here locally, it's a blend of sleet and freezing rain and continues to come in from the southwest. And it is still wintry mixing in Del Rio, and they're not done with the wintry mix either for another few hours. So we still have several hours of this blend of freezing rain and sleet yet to come before we are done with this winter storm. So you can see here locally the filling in, the rapid filling in of the blend of freezing rain and sleet that covers the metro and now continues to race northeastward through our eastern counties and into the hill country. Sleet, freezing rain, and some snowflakes mixing in there too. So the pink color here is the wintry mix. It's the sleet and it's the freezing rain combined. This is 10 o'clock, so it's widespread by then as it almost is now. And then we head through the overnight hours. Still widespread freezing rain and sleet at 2 in the morning. Then 3, 4, 5, we start to see it pulling east of I-35 so that by daybreak, while we may not be done entirely with anything falling from the sky, we've only got 10% chances of precipitation after that and even some breaks of sun here tomorrow. So anticipating that dusting to ½ inch of sleet for many, southeast of Austin up to a trace of sleet. But we are seeing that sleet mix in enough that we upped our sleet forecast. Still thinking 1/10 to 3/10 of an inch of accumulated ice, but the more sleet we get, the lower on this range we'll end up with ice. We still have an ice storm warning from the metro through most of the hill country until noon tomorrow, and a winter storm warning for those slightly lower ice amounts in the surrounding counties away from the metro. Of course, the ice, the wintry mix, it's not our only concern. The cold will linger into the work week. Let's go over to Tommy House with that update.
Yeah, thanks, Nick. So as the storm pulls away, we get that dangerous Arctic air remaining in place. So extreme cold warning for literally all of central Texas. Specifically with this extreme cold warning, we could see wind chills single digits and teens, especially in the hill country. We'll hover in the 20s tonight, out the door tomorrow morning. Got some pockets of mid to upper teens further west of I-35, staying below freezing for the majority, if not all of the day tomorrow. And then we'll cool down again even more Sunday into Monday. So by Monday, again, it's going to be those teens feeling like it's below freezing even for some further out west. So the winds are going to be rather pesky, consistent, and breezy through the day tomorrow. So when I show you these wind chills, notice they're a lot lower than the air temp. So tomorrow morning, here's the feels like. So if you're going to be out and about, I would dress in layers if you have to be outside, feeling like -1 potentially, and burn it. Through the afternoon, it's those teens again, and then by Monday, same thing, single digits down to around 0, 1 degree for that wind chill in Lampasas County. Low temperature trend, the air temp by Tuesday is still going to be cold, below freezing for Wednesday. So this pattern is going to be just cooler than normal. Arctic air in place here in the Lone Star State. Our 3-day forecast has a above freezing for the afternoon on Monday trend. By Tuesday, mid-40s, but keep in mind our normal highs in the mid-60s. So this is a big change for the colder side. Precip chances fairly quiet through the work week, but we're watching for a potential disturbance Friday into Saturday. It's trending relatively weak, an entirely different setup than what we're dealing with today with this cross-country storm, but still something that we'll have updates on in the coming few days. So here's your KXAN First Warning Weather 7-day forecast. Dangerous cold, especially in the morning hours. Will warm up gradually, 40s and 50s. Rain chance relatively quiet. We're tracking this storm all through the night and tomorrow on KXAN.com/weather. Great reminder to download our First Warning Weather app. We'll be right back.